Hello friends, today I will tell you about my English project called The Happy Prince. It's a story kitty sad but at the same time very interesting. The story is the famous right of place poetry in novels stay above Oscar Wilde. Well now I will tell you my biography of Oscar Wilde and the summary of the story of The Happy Prince. Let's start with the video. Okay, my biography. My name is Sara Perez. I am a student of secondary. My grade is 6.5. Good today to count the story of The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince is a short story by Oscar Wilde. We'll also tell you the biography of Oscar Wilde. Good, with more preambles, let's start. Okay, it's biography of Oscar Wilde. Biography of Oscar Wilde. His first name is Oscar Finkel of 40. Will's his last name is Will. He born the 16 October on Tuesday 854 on Dublin, Ireland. The father of Oscar Wilde, his name is Mr. William Wilde. He hope of Mr. William Wilde is doctor. The mother of Oscar Wilde is called Lady Jane Francesca Wilde. The son of Oscar Wilde is called William Charles and Kingsbury Wilde. The sister of Oscar Wilde is Isola Francesca Emily Wilde. The wife of Oscar Wilde is Constance Mary Wilde. Is hopes of in London. The famous work of Oscar Wilde is The Centerville Ghost, The Happy Prince, The Picture of Dorian Gray, The Importance of Being Earnest, Lady Windermere's Fan, Towns, living in Dublin, Oxford, Rotterdam, and Paris. The countries visited by Oscar Wilde is America and Europe, and by the day that Oscar Wilde died was the 13th of November 1900 in Paris, France. Ooh. One cup of the Happy Prince. The summary of the first chapter of The Happy Prince is about a golden stitch that it has two sapphires in the eyes and a ruby in the fist of his own word. Tap every on at middle until one night a little bear crossed the which is he had to go to Egypt to winter as his companions did, and he had no jet left because he fell in love with a river rope. The little bear broke is because she did no speak, and because he had to go to Egypt, and she did not want to take the wind to hear to where the statue of the Happy Prince was the rest when the little bear was. Falling split a little drop to talk. That is why Rachel another drop started to hit angry. And when he left Layla to please, another drop come and looked up and said to the reflection of the moon. Then the bear asks for voice crane, and he says to because he cannot don't think. For a woman who has man problem, the only thing he had was the brick ruby of his sword, but he could not do anything to hide it as it stuck to the pedestal and nose cold moved a big sheet. The beard and the have in compassion the prince they went to take the woman the ruby that the happy prince had given her until night she stayed with him. Took up of the happy prince. In the 2nd chapter of the happy prince, it is that a person watches the bear in winter in the city seemed strange to him since the bear gone winter to Egypt and sent a letter for the local period. Beard had planned to stay night to Egypt. When the night came, the little bird told the prince that he had to go to Egypt. Begged him to stay another night with him to help a man who needed help because he needed to finish a play, and that man felt that he could no longer do his work. Then the bear told him that it's okay, that he had stayed with him, asked a ruby to give it to the man, but the prince told him that unfortunately he did not have another ruby. Then he told the beard to take one of the sapphires that he had in his eyes. The beard refused, but eventually he did and left it to the Lord of the Stakes. And the man said the sapphire so that they could continue with his work, and the beard he stayed with the prince happy another night more. Three chapter of the Happy Prince. In the 3rd chapter of the Happy Prince is that the beard already wants to go to Egypt, and when it is night goes to the Happy Prince and tells him that he has to leave, but the prince tells him to stay another night, and the beard they accepts the prince tell him that there is a girl who was sleeping was boy unfortunate, feeling the strain, and if he did not come with money to the house, the dad was to crack. Then the princess asked the beard to start the other sapphire of his other. The beard refused, but has no other opinion, and takes away the sapphire and goes and gives it to the girl. She goes home happy. The prince is blind. Then the beard tells his home blind he is going to stay with him forever. Then the beard tells him what happens with the city to the prince when he hears that there are too many poor people. Then tells the beard to take the gold out of his armor and give it to the poor, and that's what the little beard did with all the people are too happy. The beard is going to die, then say goodbye with a kiss in the mouth of the prince and files on his legs the poor beard, and the prince of sadness break his heart of iron and when good tells on of his angel that bring you the purest of heart. The angel brings dead beard and hair of iron watch, and he says the beard I will live in paradise, and the statue in my kingdom to praise me. Okay, is Happy Prince and a beard. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.